this is the result of my repair job. I went ahead and just gave them all red hats. Some partial, some complete, but I just thought they looked better that way. This guy, I think I need to get some, I don't know, tan colored paint to bring his face out more. It's the only paint I did not get. And maybe I'll get some white paint as well, just to spruce him up a bit. But I got the eyes sort of down okay. This one turned out real well. Thank goodness I didn't have to replace his rosy cheeks, because I don't know how to do that. I guess I could get rose-colored paint. And this Santa turned out rather nice too. He's got a bit of a smirk. I might have to change that mouth on him. It's a little creepy. But I gave him a nice green eye. And I think I've got one more day of just sprucing it up, and then I can pack these guys up and put everything up in the attic and call Christmas done, now that it's January 9th. Well, at least I was able to fix it.